this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bluetooth to Nissan Altima 2012. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Bluetooth connectivity can be used on your Nissan Altima 2012. You can use the audio features, you might be able to use any additional features that include Bluetooth, and this will work for both Android and iOS. So regardless of which device model you have, you will be able to connect your smartphone and use it alongside your Altima. So to get this done, access these settings. So press the setting button at the right. So assuming that your car dashboard looks like this, you can follow the same exact instruction in this video. If it is different, then sadly you might have to look elsewhere, or generally it should be the same, but it's going to be visually different. Regardless, go into the setting option and then choose Bluetooth. So among the options, you will see the Bluetooth category. Now make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. With Bluetooth enabled, now you can either manage the Bluetooth information, so you can give it a custom name like Altima or something else. You can use your name, whatever you prefer, or leave it on default. It doesn't matter. To actually connect your phone, go to Connect Bluetooth. So this is where you will be able to set up new devices. When you choose this option, you will be able to get the connection started. And as I said before, if you go into Edit Bluetooth info, you can change the PIN that will be used as a passcode and the device name. But if you go over to Connect Device or Connect Bluetooth, now the car will be discoverable. The name that is set up here under Device Name on Edit Bluetooth info will appear under Other Devices. So if you go into the settings on your phone and you make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, you will be able to discover your Nissan Altima 2012. So you just choose it from the list, and it might ask for confirmation regarding the PIN. So once again, alongside the device name, you will have the PIN that is used as sort of a passcode to confirm it. So double check the passcode, and if everything matches, the connection will be established. Now, with the Bluetooth device connected, you will be able to see it listed here, and you can use all sorts of functions, including the audio devices and anything else. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth to Nissan Altima 2012. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.